That might be a change for a future time. Get a simple screen recorder to be robust to that exception. Just a simple retry. Wow, the retry idea is simple. Okay, so I can do some aggressive changes to MLT. I don't expect these to be totally right. I'm purely doing these to mostly verify the theory that I should just push all I can, or it is possible to delegate all get frame to a worker thread in either the context it's requested or a OpenGL context is used. So in kdenlive can ensure that threads are always requested or real time is not 0. And I can ensure there's always a GL context when those callbacks are. So now I'm just going to experiment with that change. Notice that I remove that RT frame declaration and change it to another one. I'm going to swap get frame in RT frame in all instances here. So I'm going to say MLT consumer get frame. Right. So get the first frame. Where are we? Yeah, we're in a read ahead thread. So we're gonna do that synchronous. Force it. Get the next frame. Where are we? In here. Probably another worker thread. Probably the same worker thread. Yeah. Okay. And we're also gonna say yes. We're gonna do the sync. Fill the work buffer, worker, get frame, worker threads, and a work queue. Seems like a third instance of get frame. Okay, feed the work queue. Again, are we in a different thread? Yeah, so this is worker get thread. Don't think it's protected, but yeah, sure. Okay. Rather hack and slash. I suspect consumer RT. Oh, that's right. I was going to alias. That's MLT service skip frame. Again, not really expecting this to work. Be particularly correct, but close enough. Cool beans. Now rebuild kdenlive with that. One nice aspect about a Nix development environment set up like this is that if I change a dependency, it'll always rebuild it clean when setting up the downstream. Unfortunately, it always rebuilds it clean, and you really don't have a choice. There's some ways to get around it, but typically I just do something else while it proceeds, and it's reliable, so it's fine by me. But we're going to proceed as such. Now, expect kdenlive to compile just fine. It should be using the same interface as before. One thing I suspect will probably happen is some type of deadlock. Maybe I am monkeying around with how those work queues work. So I don't really expect this to work out of the box, but it'll be interesting regardless. What I think I'll do instead next time is actually add some additional debugging to MLT No, it'll be either GLSL convert or MLT consumer. Probably MLT consumer get frame. I'll add some debugging code that asserts whether the current thread is one that is created by the create thread events. That would at least enable developers to identify where the assumptions about thread and get frame are violated if this mechanism doesn't work out, where you always just delegate to another thread for rendering, and those other threads are all managed by MLT, which then means it can ensure it's created with the create thread event. So for this time, I'm just going to check out how this kdenlive executable runs, see if it crashes, explodes, something like that. Doesn't really matter if it does, just to be fun. Oh, looks like it crashed already. Not surprised. My bet it is somewhere in... Who knows? Unsurprisingly, that did not work. Oops. Maybe I'll hard code the number of threads a bit lower than my system's number of threads. It's a bit high. Okay, quite a lot. Yeah, okay. Not too surprising how it failed, but I'm going to stop there today. Call it good. Till next time.